Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, June 24th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, it's another beautiful morning out there with temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to mid 50s over the higher elevations, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast with visibility around 10 miles. Winds are light and variable with high pressure in complete control. You can see on our radar slash surface map from WeatherTap, you could see high pressure generally in control. We have this weak trough that is passing through the region. It's producing some cloud cover, and we have this wave of low pressure that's going to be developing tonight into tomorrow morning. It may produce a pesky shower or two along the coastal plain tomorrow morning. Nothing significant in nature, but it might produce a brief shower over the region. On the latest visible satellite picture, you can see some cloud cover moving through the region that's associated with our trough. After this clears out, pretty much scattered cloud cover the rest of the day. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see our stationary front just sitting here waiting for this little shortwave to enhance this low pressure system to track up into our coastal waters by tomorrow morning. Off to the west, we have another cold front that is lingering over the northern plains, producing plenty of thunderstorms, but no threat to our neck of the woods at this time. On the latest wind map, you can see the difference between our high-pressure system over the Gulf of Maine and our low-pressure system off the North Carolina coast will produce an easterly wind pattern over the region today, and that's going to transport a maritime air mass into the region, basically from the Atlantic Ocean, of course. This is the low-pressure system that will lift up towards southern New England by tomorrow morning, and that will produce a few of those pesky showers. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, sky cloud cover is expected. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s along the coast, mid 70s to lower 80s away from the coast. Of course, your best potential for 80s will be in the Delaware River Valley, basically around the Philadelphia metro. For tonight, look for scattered cloud cover with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. Maybe a little bit of patchy fog will be a threat. We'll have to keep an eye on that. For tomorrow morning, that low pressure system will lift through with a few isolated showers as well. And then by the afternoon hours, we'll have scattered cloud cover in place with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s throughout the region. On Saturday, that's when we start to see our transition to a more tropical weather pattern. A cold front will approach but will stall out. This high pressure system will build into the region. This is what we call a Bermuda high. So what we'll see is winds from the south start to develop on Saturday around 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's going to be a pretty breezy day, with the threat for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Now, these thunderstorms will be isolated, but will be capable of producing very heavy downpours, vivid lightning, and strong wind gusts. So, while not everyone will experience a thunderstorm on Saturday, they will still be capable of packing quite a punch. So, if you hear some rumbling of thunder in the air, or you see clouds starting to darken, I would get indoors. Okay, that's basically the rule. Other than that, it's going to be an enjoyable weekend with temperatures on Saturday ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the higher elevations, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and lower to mid 80s everywhere else. Then on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way on through Thursday, we are stuck in this pattern where we have high pressure off to our east and a cold front off to our west, and we're trapped in between in this tropical air mass with fog in the morning, a mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon with the threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. And again, those thunderstorms will be capable of packing quite a punch and may even reach severe levels at times. The primary threat with these thunderstorms will be the heavy downpours and the vivid lightning. So certainly something to keep an eye on. Temperatures through this period will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast for low temperatures. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the coast, mid 80s to lower 90s away from the coast. Now there is potential for some hotter temperatures, let's say in the mid to upper 90s. Some model guides are suggesting that. However, that will depend on whether or not this high pressure system actually ends up sitting right over us rather than remaining off to our east. If that happens, then you get sunnier skies and you allow your temperatures to spike up into the higher mid to upper 90s. But right now, I like the idea of more of a tropical air mass with temperatures generally ranging from the mid 80s to lower 90s throughout the region, a little bit cooler on the coast and your highest elevations. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always,